When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All they hope just left and right.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and it's your girl Alexis. I'm doing a wig install today, so make sure you guys tune into this video and like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next video.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody like you.
He's fine, also known as a buster. Always thinking about what he wants to just fix on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the best and dressed right on his best friend's side. Trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the best and dressed right on his best friend's trying to holler at me. Look at me, but his name is kind of wing, and I know that he cannot approach me.
today's video, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Leave in the comments what you want to see next from me. And get into this hair because I will be leaving the link for you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you guys subscribe and I will see you in the next